The ideal student for coming here, especially for our undergraduate program in business administration, typically are students who want to have an experience where they can get to really know their teachers, their faculty. They get to know their peers within the classroom. So we don't have any big lecture halls here. Most class sizes are in the range of 15 to 20 or 25 at the most.
We offer courses like entrepreneurship. We offer courses like strategy, business strategy. So with those courses, we make them create business plans. So we also teach finance courses, and I'm the one who teaches finance courses. So in order to run your business, you need to have some knowledge about finance.
Students in the undergraduate business administration degree will take classes in management, marketing, finance, accounting, and then business strategy. And then they can also take a wide range of electives as well to be able to kind of specialize in a certain area.
A lot of kids come out of high school and they want to run their own business, which is a great option, but we show them what that really means and what it takes to do that. Our undergraduate programs, I think, have a great combination of experiential learning as well as textbook traditional principles. We're constantly evolving. And our philosophy is that we think of ourselves as a startup, and we try to get students to think of their careers as startups. That don't be afraid to fail, don't be afraid to pivot. I think education has failed students by not letting them fail in a safe environment, because when they go in the workplace, you can't afford to fail. I'm really concerned about finding the right fit for the student. And that takes some work, and people should shop around and figure out what program fits them and fits their needs.
You don't have to have everything, every skill set. That's why we are here, that's why we offer this program. But after this program, I'm confident that we teach students to be well organized, we teach them to be self-confident and professional.